Hello, what's up guys? Go smart on examination. It is today wonderful again. Turagusuje cyane. Yes, welcome on our next video. It's today tugiye kuvuga uburyo butandukanye ukoresha kugira ngo utsinde ikizamini cyawe. If you're a student, if you're anyone who is gonna to attend examination site, here are some basic tips to follow just to have a chance of success. Be sure to bring all needed working tools for doing exam, example pens, pencils and others. Itwaza ibikoresho bikenerwa mu gukora ikizamini, urugero amakaramu, amakareyo n'ibindi bitandukanye. Of course, you are right. Next tip is arrive at examination venue at least hour before and use stay ready before to avoid wasting time during the examination. Gira kuri site y'ikizamini bivuze mbere y'isaha ngo gitangire uburyo bwo kwitegura neza. Next, this is another basic tip to follow for having a pace to succeed your examination. Have enough sleep the day before the exam. Bityo gusinzira bihagije. Yes, ku munsi ubanziriza ikizamini cyangwa se umunsi ubanziriza ibazwa kugira ngo bikurinde nyine kuzasinzira umunsi w'ikizamini. Right, next, yes, it is now next basic tip here to follow. It is to manage your time carefully. Start with questions you think are easiest to respond and can send marks for them. Koresha umwanya wawe neza cyangwa se igihe cyawe neza mu misubirize yawe. Next advice to have plans to win perfectly your examination is to take care, have a neat handwriting so that examiners will read answers clearly. Andika ibisubizo byawe mu buryo bworohereza gukosora. Wandike ibintu bigaragara rwose. Thank you so much to watch this video. Make sure to subscribe on Wonderful English. We love you so much. Meet you on the next video.